Okay, so in this lecture, we will look at one more algorithm in linear regression, that is locally weighted linear regression. So, before explaining this, let's look at these plots or these data set. So, if you observe in this first figure, these are the data points, right? So, these are the data points, and we have our optimal line that is the best fit, or we can say that is the fit for this given data set. Also, if you observe these data points, then there is some non-linearity, right? So what best we can do is that maybe we can fit something this kind of curve, not the linear but something non-linear thing. So if you observe that this curve is the, maybe we can call it the best fit for the given this kind of data set, right? So instead of taking this linear line or linear curve, not the curve but the linear line, what we can do best is to maybe we can fit this kind of curve. Okay, so how you will get this curve? So if you look at this hypothesis function, then this is linear, then how you can write is as theta of x is equal to theta 0 plus theta 1 x, right? Now you kind, if you look, what we are trying to fit is some kind of parabola, right? So there will be term that will be in x square. So maybe we can modify, maybe we can add some additional term that may give us this kind of curvature. So we can say that as theta of x is equals to theta 0 plus theta 1 x plus one additional thing what we can do to get this kind of curve is theta 2 x square, right? So अगर ओवरऑल आप ये देखो कि अगर आपके पास मोर नॉन लिनियरिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है विद इन द डाटा सेट, देन how you can think is that this way you can think like we can add more number of polynomials or more higher degree of polynomials, right? So look at this third data set. So suppose this hypothesis function is of the maybe this is our data set. So maybe it will be some higher degree polynomial, maybe it will be some theta, let's take I here and x I. So and summation from I is equal to 0 to maybe fifth degree polynomial. So this is how your hypothesis function will look like. So so आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि that then we can fit curves to any kind of data set, right? But now listen to the problem statement. What will happen if we try to overfit? What we are doing is here overfitting the overfitting within the data set. Up now listen to the problem statement, that if you have to estimate the price for the given land area, suppose you have a feature or a variable that is the land area in whatever meter square or whatever foot square. So and for that you will have to estimate the price. So you have given this one variable and you have to find estimate the price, right? So maybe you will have given some data and you will have to estimate some for some land area you have to estimate the price, right? So do you think that for this kind of problem this curve is appropriate? No, this is not an appropriate, right? Okay, now just to give you some more terms here, this, so if you observe this this figure one, ये this is not a perfect or best fit, we can say. So we can call it, this is underfitting, right? And this is best fit, and this is overfitting. So also we will look at these terms in further video. So okay, now let's look at this locally weight linear regression. Now suppose that you have given this kind of data set. Let's take like this. Now you again we have the price here, and here that is one variable, that is land area in feet square. So now you have to make the model for it. So using weighted linear regression, what we can do, that we will select the data points locally. How I will come to that, how we can write the algorithm for locally weighted linear regression. But first let's understand what locally weighted linear regression is doing. So what we will do, we will select the local data here. Local data, I mean to say, not the complete data set, but some range of data set. Now what we will try to do, we will try to fit the straight line. In case of single variable, we will try to fit the line to this range of data, right? So maybe we can fit something like that. Again, what we will do, we will pick some other range of data, maybe this one. Then what we will try to do is we will again run the algo, and we will try to fit this line. So same way we can do for this, right? So the main idea is to pick the local data. Local data, I mean to say, pick the those data, those range that have some kind of linearity. So if you see that within this range we have some kind of linearity within the data set, right? So now if you see, we have approximately, we have 4 lines here, right? So we can say corresponding to that, we will have some theta 0, theta 1, that is fitting to this range of data, right? Again we will have some theta 0 and theta 1, different theta 0 and different theta 1 for this range. और फिर इस रेंज के लिए भी कोई थीटा, इस लाइन का भी कोई थीटा 0 थीटा 1 होगा. एंड अगेन फॉर दिस रेंज, फॉर दिस लाइन, इट विल बी अगेन सम थीटा 0 थीटा 1 in case of single variable, right? So you observe that if you want to have the model for this kind of data set, then you will have to keep these thetas and theta 1. Now let's compare it with the normal linear regression. So what we were doing in normal linear regression, that we were having some this kind of data, and what we were doing is that we were fitting with the single line. So यहाँ पे हमारे पास सिर्फ ये थीटा 0 एंड थीटा 1 एक सिंगल रहता था. एंड if we get to know theta 0 theta 1, then we can get rid of data, and then whenever a new input will come, then we already have this hypothesis function, we can estimate the price. So we do not need to have the we don't have to keep these data. But in this case, what is happening, that we will have to store these things, these thetas, for each line we will have to keep these theta 0 and theta 1, right? Okay, now how we can achieve this with the locally weighted linear regression. So let me first write it down how we were doing with the normal linear regression. So in linear regression, what we are doing, that if we have a single variable, then we have two parameter, right, theta 0 and theta 1. This is the new, right, and this is the new. And how we were updating, like theta 0 old minus some learning rate 1 divided by total number of trainee set in the example, from I is equal 1 to m. From each trainee, we will what we will do is uh, we will have the h theta x I minus y I and the square, right. This is how we were updating. And again, for this theta 1 new minus alpha times 1 divided by m, and summation of I is equal to 1 to m, and again h theta x of I minus y of I whole square into x I, right. So not here but here. So in normal linear regression, so not in normal regression, to get the optimal value of theta 0 and theta 1, ऐसे हम लोग अपडेट कर रहे थे, राइट, टू अचीव द मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ आवर कॉस्ट फंक्शन. अब इसमें मॉडिफिकेशन क्या आएगा इन केस ऑफ वेटेड लिनियरली regression? We will simply, if you look at this, what we will do, we will add this wi. So now how we are going to update in locally weighted linear regression is that theta 0 old is equal to theta 0 new minus alpha times of maybe we will have some n locally data. So let's pick that this range, this yellow range, and it will have some n data points. So we will run through n data points, and or okay, so let's so no, we do not have to run through the m, because we don't know that up to which we have the linearity in approx linearity in data. So we will again go through the each point, but the main point is to, we have to, in within the algorithm, what we have to recognize is that suppose we want to estimate at, suppose we are running the, okay, so we will run through the whole data set in the locally weight linear regression also, but somehow we have to find that how far we are from the given data point. So let's suppose that we want to, okay, let's suppose we want to estimate this land area, this price for this given land area. So we want to estimate for given this land area what will be the price, right. So okay, let's first look at this wi, then we will have the better picture, right. So let me first write how we are updating the parameter value. So it will be from I wi and yi minus theta transpose xi square. So if you recognize, this is nothing but h theta x, and this is the price for a given xi, right. So for given land area, what is the price? So we are taking the difference. Again, we have explained already, right, what is this different, this is error, right. Okay, now let's look at this wi. So this is wi. So if you observe that this point is the this xi is from the data set, right, given data set, and this x is for what land area we are estimating the price. Suppose so so this x is for what land area we are estimating, right? Now, and let's suppose we have picked this area, not the area but this locally these sets of data, right? Okay, now how we can update for the given locally data set, how we can update theta 0 and theta 1. Okay, so now we want to estimate the price of this x, right? So if you observe, overall we need the complete data set in case of locally weighted linear regression. How let me explain it to you. That suppose you have given some xi and yi, ये डाटा सेट आपको ऑलरेडी गिवन है, राइट? फ्यू ऑफ द डाटा सेट ये आपको ऑलरेडी गिवन है, एंड आप देखो ये क्या है, आप इस फॉर दिस प्राइस यू वांट टू एस्टिमेट, राइट? और ये क्या है, आपका गिवन डाटा सेट है. अब एक चीज़ आप इस पहले इस एक्सप्रेशन पे ऑब्जर्व करो, अगर, और यहाँ सामने माइनस भी है, ये माइनस मैंने छोड़ दिया है, ये माइनस, ठीक है? तो एक्सपोनेंशियल का टर्म निगेटिव समथिंग है, ठीक है? अब ये अगर एक्स आई माइनस एक्स इस पे आप ऑब्जर्व करो, ये अगर इन दोनों का डिफरेंस अगर कम है, डेट मीन्स अप्रॉक्स आप जीरो रखो, मतलब कि ये दोनों अगर पास पास है, देन दिस डब्ल्यू आई विल बी सम मैक्सिमम, अप्रॉक्स 1 होगा, ठीक है? बट मैक्सिमम होगा, ओवरऑल पॉइंट यही है, ठीक? और अगर ये एक्स आई माइनस एक्स, मतलब कि इन दोनों का डिफरेंस अगर बहुत ज़्यादा है, देन डब्ल्यू आई क्या होगा, आपका अप्रॉक्स 0 होगा, ठीक है? अब ये क्या बोल रहा है, अगर डिफरेंस कम है तो 0 होगा. डैट मीन्स कि सपोज करो ये इस तरह से आपका, सपोज करो यू वांट टू एस्टिमेट दिस, राइट? दिस फॉर दिस प्राइस, फॉर दिस वन यू वांट टू एस्टिमेट, राइट? और ये जो आपके यहाँ अगल बगल जितने भी सारे पॉइंट होंगे, ये क्या होंगे, सारे एक्स आई होंगे, ठीक है? एक्स आई 1, एक्स आई 2, जो भी एक्स आई होंगे, ठीक है? तो एंड what we want to do is we want to run this theta 0 and theta 1 only for maybe this range, right? We do not want to run we do not want to update the theta 0 and theta 1 for this value of xi, right? So ये क्या देखो, ये जिस प्राइस पे आप एस्टिमेट कर रहे हो और जो गिवन डाटा सेट जहाँ पे आपका है, सो वी डो नॉट वांट टू इन्वॉल्व दिस xi. सो ये क्या है, एक तो दूर पे है, तो ये जो डब्ल्यू आई का वैल्यू होगा, डब्ल्यू आई का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा, क्योंकि ये एक्स आई और एक्स का जितना डिफरेंस ज़्यादा होगा, डब्ल्यू आई का वैल्यू उतना कम होगा, राइट? हाउ डब्ल्यू आई इज डिफाइंड, यू कैन लुक एट दिस, राइट? सो अप्रॉक्स इस तरह से डब्ल्यू आई है आपका, ऐसा करके है कुछ, नॉट ऐसा बट ऐसा करके है कुछ, ठीक है? जैसे जैसे आप जो डिफरेंस जितना ज़्यादा होगा, डब्ल्यू आई उतना फॉल करेगा, और जितना ये डिफरेंस कम होगा, मतलब कि ओवरऑल गाने का मतलब क्या है कि ये थीटा 0 और थीटा 1 हम तभी अपडेट करेंगे जब हमारा पॉइंट जो है वो जिससे हम एस्टिमेट, जिस प्राइस के लिए हम एस्टिमेट कर रहे हैं, और जो डाटा पॉइंट है वो उसके आसपास रहे, देन दैट एरिया यू कैन से दैट इट विल बी सम काइंड ऑफ लिनियरिटी इन दैट गिवन रेंज, राइट? अगर आप ज़्यादा दूर चले जाओगे तो यू विल नॉट होल्ड द लिनियरिटी, राइट? सो एंड अगेन वी आर फिटिंग द स्ट्रेट लाइन ओनली, सो यू विल हैव टू लुक दैट जिस प्राइस पे आप एस्टिमेट कर रहे हो उसके अगल बगल वाला जो है वो अगल बगल है कि नहीं. अगर दूर है तो डू नॉट टेक दिस, बिकॉज अब क्या होगा, ये दूर है तो डब्ल्यू आई 0 हो जाएगा, देन वी विल नॉट अपडेट दिस थीटा 0 एंड थीटा आई. I hope you got the sense. So again, this is how we are going to update, and we will keep the each value of theta 0, theta 1 for each range. Also, if you observe that we need the complete data set in case of locally weighted linear regression, right? क्योंकि आपको जिस भी प्राइस पे एस्टिमेट करना है, अगेन यू विल फाइंड द लोकल डाटा अराउंड दिस जहाँ पे आपको फाइंड करना उसके अराउंड आप लोकल डाटा ऑब्जर्व करोगे, एंड देन यू विल गेट टू नो थीटा 0 एंड थीटा 1. सो यू नीड टू कीप द complete data set in case of locally weighted linear regression. Okay, and in case of normal linear regression you do not have to keep the complete data set. You can get rid of data set and you can keep the value of theta 0 and theta 1, and you can update the price. You can get estimate the price, right? and यहाँ पे ये जो टाउ है, ये क्या है, ये टाउ. so tau जो है it is called bandwidth, and tau controls how quickly the weight of trainee example fall off with distance of xi. मतलब ये x और xi को आपको कितना, अगर डिस्टेंस बहुत ज़्यादा है तो आपको कितना ज़्यादा फॉल कराना है, दैट विल गेट डिसाइडेड बाय दिस टाउ, एंड वी कॉल इट बैंडविथ पैरामीटर. टाउ इज कॉल्ड बैंडविथ पैरामीटर. अब एक टर्म आपका और है, दैट इज locally weighted linear regression is the first example we are seeing of the non parametric algorithm. ठीक है, सो जो आपका locally weighted linear regression example है वो नॉन पैरामेट्रिक एल्गोरिथम है. ठीक है, और जो नॉर्मल linear regression देखा था आप लोगों ने, वो that was the example of parametric learning algorithm. Why? Because it has the fixed finite number of parameter, right? थीटा 0 और थीटा 1 इसके पास फिक्स्ड है linear regression, normal linear regression के केस में, which are fit to the data. Once we fit the theta and store them away, we no longer need to keep the trainee data around to make future prediction, right? In case of normal linear regression. In contrast, to make prediction using locally weighted linear regression, we need to keep the entire trainee set around. So I have already explained this one. The term non-parametric roughly refers to the fact that around the amount of stuff we need to keep in order to represent the hypothesis as grow linearly with the size of trainee set, right? So that is all about the locally weighted linear regression and how you can update. So आपका hypothesis function जो है simply जो आपका अपडेट रूल है वो अप्रॉक्स ओके. सो ये जो आपका जो फंक्शन है कॉस्ट फंक्शन में, व्हाट विल गेट चेंज दिस वन, राइट? और एक चीज़ मैंने यहाँ पे जो अपडेट रूल जो है यहाँ पे मैं ये स्क्वायर नहीं होगा, ठीक है. सो ओवरऑल कॉस्ट फंक्शन में क्या चेंजेज आएगा आपका, बस यही ये वेट का WI का, ठीक है. और WI कैसे है वो आपने देखा, ठीक है. और एक चीज़ लास्ट चीज़ ये आपको समहाउ गॉसियन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की तरह लग रहा होगा, बट देयर इज नो रिलेशन विद द गॉसियन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हियर, राइट? okay, that is all about the linear locally weighted linear regression, I think. Or if x is vector value, this is generalized to be WI. okay, अगर x आपका ये वेक्टर है, वेक्टर वैल्यू मतलब मल्टी डायमेंशनल है, देन दिस इज हाउ WI विल लुक लाइक. okay, that is all about the locally weighted linear regression. Now in next lecture we will look at the classification problem, and in the classification problem first algorithm we will look at the logistic algorithm. Okay, thank you.